Yellow guys, as you can see, Nyathi family, abuda paZbc. What's good YouTube? Is a boy, let's go to welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my Facebook page. You understand? If it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow. You understand? For more and more updates. You understand? So yeah, what's on trending now? Nyathi abuda paZbc. You understand? Nyathi family abuda paZbc, and yeah, they're trending. Obvious. Whereby line muzwaranas muZbc enyika. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video.
Now I quickly take a look at much lighter news in our GMZ Arts segment. A young content creation couple, which rose to fame on social media for not hiding its humble background, is set to have a house constructed for them at their rural home in Nyazura, courtesy of a local benefactor. Let's have the details.
Yeah, that's why I'm recording.
Gilbert Nyamandini and his wife Joyce Manyara have found fame on social media under their handle at Nyathi ZW Gilbert. The South African-based social media couple is known for producing entertaining videos that have won the hearts and minds of many Zimbabweans. Among them, Dr. Barnabas Marambire, who has begun building them a new house at their rural home of Nyazura. The couple is grateful to the support they are getting from the people.
Muri Zimbabwe, isusu tirikunzwa kufara kusvikawo pano panzvimbo pedu patakaofwa kunzi tivakirwe imba yedu yekuti tigare inini naManyathi nemhuri yedu yese.
Tikufara visingaiti kuti takutoitawo musha imba inotiwo isusu.
Parents and family members to the couple are supportive of their children's endeavors on social media.
Tinongoda kukutendai nezvamatiitira. Chikomborero chikuru dai Mwari aramba achikuwedzerai kuti muitirewo vamwe nevanouya vanenge vachiitawo zvakanaka, munovaitirawo zvakanaka. Tichitarisa kubatana kwakaita vana vedu zvaingoitawo ngezvedambewo.
Ndinotenda nekufara nechiitiko chaitika ichi nekuti upenyu hwewana hwachena wakawanawo denga pamusoro pawo zvinopfadza izvozvozvo. Ndaisatarisira kuti wangawana chipo chakanaka so.
The gesture highlights the power of social media in inspiring kindness and community support. paZbc News, Harare.
This is beautiful, man. It's quite nice to witness, and it just goes to show the power of social media. Quite recently, I also saw they had an interview on one of local radio stations, and they were talking about how they met and how they are now, you know, these people are now noticed everywhere they go. So yeah, siyababongela Shem Gakulu, and shout out to everyone who came together to make sure they get that house constructed.
I beg guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. And I don't want to waste much of your time, but yeah, that was just the video of the day. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more and more. Today I'm not commenting. I'm gonna comment later. Or today I'm very late where I wanna go. But yeah, so that's a gentleman. Yellow guys. Thank you for your love and support. We love you guys. Signing out.